मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन ब्रॉडकास्टिंग का नया ड्राफ्ट गाइडलाइंस टीवी रेटिंग की कहानी में फुल ऑन ट्विस्ट ला रहा है। बाग का सोलो परफॉर्मेंस अब एंसॉम्बल कास्ट बन सकता है क्योंकि टीआरपी की रेस में नए कंटेस्टेंट्स के लिए डोर्स ओपन हैं। सो हियर्स द डील, द मिनिस्ट्री हैज रिलीव्ड ड्राफ्ट पॉलिसी गाइडलाइंस फॉर टेलीविजन रेटिंग एजेंसीज इन इंडिया. India's TV viewing habits are changing fast. From cable and DTH to smart TVs, streaming devices and mobile app audiences are everywhere. But our current TV rating systems isn't keeping up. Out of 230 million TV homes, only about 58,000 people meters track viewership. That's just 0.025%, and it doesn't even fully measure connected TV or online streaming. Moreover, only one agency, that is BARC, provides ratings. Strict rules and entry barriers have kept others out. To change this, the ministry is proposing big reforms to the 2014 guidelines. They want to remove restrictive clauses, allow more rating agencies, and update rules so technology can track all platforms from traditional TVs to connected devices. Under these new rules, every TV rating agency must register with the ministry. These players must also be registered under the Companies Act of 2013. The rules require the agencies to focus purely on unbiased rating and avoid any conflict of interest by ensuring that they don't engage in any form of advisory or consultancy roles. However, here's a big change. Board members can now also be involved in broadcasting or advertising businesses, something that wasn't allowed earlier. Companies can own stakes in both broadcasters and rating agencies, even more than one agency in the same field. Promoters and board members can now hold shares in these related businesses as well. The proposed changes aim to open the field to multiple rating agencies, encouraging competition, new technology, and more accurate data, especially for connected TV. It also aims to attract investment to upgrade rating systems and infrastructure, helping create a transparent, inclusive, and tech-driven TV rating ecosystem in India. Do you think these rules can change the Indian television industry? The draft is still open for public feedback. Check the caption to know how to give your views on the policy.